build here doing another video for you guys. Here's the Cobalt you guys love in every video. Just want to go do a nice car wash for you guys. So let's get into the video. There is a person walking, so I wanted to make that intro relatively quick. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. Wanted to do another POV driving video for you. That is a good angle. Let's get this show on the road. So hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. It is Super Bowl weekend for me, so I do need to run some errands on my end. The game is in about an hour, so I wanted to do a mini video for you guys since it's nice out and get that going. So let's get this party on the road. Thank you guys for the likes and follows and subscribers. I do appreciate it. I did see 2 viewers left 2 comments, so thank you guys. Thank you guys for leaving those comments. One comment was regarding the videos, so thank you for your opinion and liking the videos. The other one was regarding the headlights. A lot of you like the headlights. It is an aftermarket style headlight. It is beautiful, looks gorgeous, makes the car 10 times newer. So I wanted to ask you guys if you guys want a giveaway on my old headlights. They are the exact same headlights I have. The only difference is that a few months ago, my neighbor had backed up into me and damaged one of the headlights. So insurance had both of the headlights replaced, meaning that they gave me the old set of headlights. And now I have one headlight that's perfectly fine, and the other one that has a small crack on the actual headlight lens. But I do have an opinion, I do have an idea for a video. I was thinking possibly doing a video where I can fix the headlights, and if you guys like them and you guys don't care that I'm gonna refurbish them for you guys, I can give them away. So I do not mind giving those headlights away. I don't use them. I don't care for spares. I'd rather someone else have them and make good use of them than myself just keeping them in the back of my car. So I do have those in the back of the car. One of them's untouched, the other one has a little crack. I think I can fix by replacing the whole lens off. But yeah, I am optimistic on that. I'm not sure if the OE style lens will work perfectly with it. So if it does, I'm thinking, sorry guys, I was having some issues. I thought you guys weren't able to see because I had a notification that my phone was dead or was dying, so didn't know if you guys were able to see the video or not, but it turns out that you guys can. As I was saying, I do want to do that giveaway for the headlights. If you guys are still down for that, let me know in the comments by saying yes to the giveaway or saying nah to the giveaway. I can restore them for a video. I can gift them out to you guys. I'm thinking giveaway free, somewhere in the States where shipping isn't too expensive. I gotta see how much shipping will be. Maybe winter just covers shipping. I'm not sure. I know shipping can be expensive, especially for a decent sized box. So I'll see how to do that if you guys are interested. So I don't need to get into that right now. I wanted to ask you guys first. So just let me know if you guys would like that from a video, a restoring some broken headlight and gifting you guys the ones that are exactly in the car, same brand, same everything, except that one of them's broken and I can fix it up. So hope you guys are enjoying this little drive. I do apologize for the little hiccup in the middle of my conversation with you guys. I do appreciate all of you guys watching the video. Again, it's something new for me. I just really like doing these types of videos. Lets me share my car with everyone out there. My opinion on this car is it's a perfect daily. It's a fun car. Lets you do fun little rips here and there. I mean, I absolutely stunning with the front end. But yeah, as a lot of you do know, I do have a Ford Mustang GT. Planning on turboing it sometime, but I am going to do some POV videos on that car too, so I'm excited for you guys to see a lot more content here on the channel. I do appreciate all of you guys, but for this video, I'm just doing a simple drive along, talk to you guys, say what's up. Don't want you to think that I forgot about you guys. I always want to record a video just with my week-to-week basis with school and work. It can be a little stressful and full, so I don't have a lot of time. But right now, I was out and about washing the car, and I thought about you guys and said, you know what? It's such a beautiful day out. I'm gonna let someone else enjoy this video and this scenery with me as well. So, wanted to do that for you guys. I did do a take one. Not gonna lie, this isn't the first take. Although the other take was a little long, so I did go a little bit over and beyond. So I'm gonna try to make this one a lot shorter, concise, let you guys enjoy the view of me driving. If you guys have any questions for me, please let me know. If you guys want to know how the car feels on power, if you guys want to know how much I got it for, if you guys want to know what to look at when buying a used car, any of this or that, let me know. I love making videos. Obviously, as I mentioned, I am in school, so if you guys don't see me post very often, I do apologize. I do love doing this. It's just obviously something I have to unfortunately put on the back burner sometimes, and I hate to say that because it honestly makes me happy making these videos. It's a little de-stressor, lets me relax, lets me do all these fun things. But yeah, just checking up on you guys here at the red light. I just leaned my seat all the way back. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. I actually played Xbox this morning, so I was playing some Fortnite. I don't know if you guys are into those Battle Royale or COD. I love COD. Either or, if any of you guys are watching it and want to play together or just say what the heck, this guy likes cars and I like video games, he's around the same age range, he likes decent stuff and want to play with me, let me know. I would love to play, meet new people. I do go to college. I don't really talk to a lot of people there. I just kind of do my own thing. I got stuff to do. I got work. I don't really have a lot of free time, so I don't really talk to a lot of people. But hey, if you guys want to play some Xbox, want to chit chat, let me know. I'd love to do that. Get to meet you all. But yeah, it's beautiful outside. It is. I think spring is coming. Spring is knocking on the door here. College is here. A lot of people are out. Nice out. Super Bowl Sunday. Let me know who you guys are rooting for. Eagles or Chiefs. By the time you guys watch this, you guys probably already know the result, which is kind of crazy to think about. But again, let me know you guys' favorite NFL team. Let me know what you guys like doing on the side. Do you guys like gaming? Do you guys like doing car stuff? And obviously car stuff. If you're here, that's kind of why you're here. But yeah, myself, I am 21 years old. I am a college student. I have 2 cars. I am part-time worker, full-time student. I like to make these videos for you guys because first of all, they're fun. They're enjoying to make. Second of all, it lets me share everything I have with everyone. So I am very grateful for everything I have. I know not everyone is as fortunate as I am, so I do think that the least I can do is share that experience with as many people as I can through obviously social media and YouTube. So I wanted to give you guys these videos. I remember a few years back when I was in high school, middle school, and I would watch these POV driving videos, and I thought they were the absolute coolest thing ever because I wanted to get to work, get my car, bang through the gears, go to car meets. So I understand. I just wanted to make these videos for you guys, and also for me as a documentary, kind of save them for myself. But yeah, let me know also in the comments. Honestly, I like the comments. It's my first time doing anything of this YouTube stuff, but these comment sections are fun. So let me know what you guys are doing in the comments. Let me know where you guys are from, how old you guys are, all this and that. Trust me, I want to get to know all of you guys. And here we are. We're pulling up. As I mentioned, needed to run some quick errands. Need to grab some cream cheese. My girlfriend is making a dip that her grandma makes for the Super Bowl. We're going to her aunt's house to go watch the game. So we need to come get that. But they do a casual pull. Yeah, but it is beautiful outside, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, guys, give me ideas in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to watch. POV. If you guys like the headlight idea, if you guys don't, please be honest. I honestly rather you guys be honest than just tell me what I want to hear. So if you guys want that giveaway and that restoration headlight video, please let me know. I will do that. I mean, I would do that at some point, probably in the next month or so. I am gonna do how to do simple maintenance on the cars, all that stuff. I do plan on doing. What else am I planning for you guys? Oh, I'm gonna probably do a vlog the day I take out the Mustang, because honestly, that's my favorite time of year. I gotta take out my toy. And get to enjoy that car for a while until winter comes along. But just made it to the store here, guys, here in Illinois. Need to go run some errands. Gonna show you guys the car in the front, although a car just pulled up next to me, so I'm not used to this. It is a little awkward when people obviously park next to me and see me talking to a phone. But it is gorgeous outside. It is absolutely wonderful. I believe it is around the 40-some weather. I think it's like 40s or 39s or something like that. So it is warm. It is definitely warm. Okay, let's get going. It looks like this guy is taking out his daughter, so I'm just waiting. Don't want to be rude and open the door and rush them, but yeah, guys, let me know what you guys thought about the video. Any ideas? Also, I want to do a whatchamacallit, a rate your subscribers or rate your viewer cars. So if you guys want me to rate your guys' car, let me know. I will definitely be happy to do that. I'm not going to be harsh. I'm not going to be a dickhead. Excuse my language. I'm not going to be rude or anything like that. But I definitely want to do something like that. Just waiting for, okay, there we go. That gentleman left. Still a little brisk, a little cold outside. But here's the car for you guys. I'm gonna try to act casual, but we just got here to the store. Thank you guys for watching again. This is JR Builds with you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be uploading more. Thank you guys for everything, and peace out, guys.